My name's Scott Ryerson. I'm with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to take you on a video walkthrough of our new Mastercraft 2021 X26. This boat has the white hull and main color on the outside with the black metal flake, and it has the Cool Feel Beach tan interior, and it also has the black metal flake swim deck. This boat's equipped with the transom remote in the back, has the new lounge flip out footrests and flip back seats, built-in life jacket warmer right here. It's got the reverse flip couch seat. Stepping on through, it does have the Z4 tower, clamping racks, swivel clamping racks, rear facing camera, and has the advanced audio, so it has the Klish mounted speakers on top. This boat comes with the built-in cooler, lots of storage here. Really unique thing about the X26, this seat flips so you can face backwards, or it flips and you can also sit forward, which is rare in a wakeboard, wake surf boat, but in this boat you get to sit both directions so your co-captain can face forward. It's equipped with the dual audio screens, and this boat also has the bow thrusters with the bow thruster controllers right here for easy move. This year it has the new built-in wireless phone charger. This boat also is equipped with a head. Nice deep head, sink, faucet, super cool for a wake boat feature. It has a side walkthrough coming on through here, so you come up through the bow. Huge playpin bow, has a filler cushion that does go in there, flip down armrest, front speakers. I mean, you can fit 5 people up in the front of this bow. Fantastic boat. Come and check out our Mastercraft X26. It's 2021, just got it in at MarineMax in Greenville. Check us out at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or come and see us or call us at 864-236-9005. Thank you.